I want to be in the picture too.
Where you move?
We should do one where we all pop in the picture.
Yeah, okay. You'll
Ready, set,
go, pop.
everybody pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my first appointment at a bridal salon. I'm gonna try on wedding dresses. It's gonna be in Georgetown, DC. The rest of my appointments are in New York, which are about 2 months from today, but I'm doing my first one today in Georgetown so I can kind of get the hang of everything. So I will be taking you guys around so you can see me start my journey of finding my wedding dress. So let's get right on it.
Lay awake until the morning in an ocean so deep. Got a feeling like I'm dauntless whenever you're next to me. Cause I've climbed.
We just got to the bridal salon. This is Rhea.
Period.
I'm so excited to try out dresses. This bridal salon is so beautiful. I love the studios. Let's go in this one first. It's gorgeous. They have these private studios where all the brides to be come in to try their dresses. So this is the first studio. This is kind of like the outside area. Oh my gosh, this mirror. Yes. I'm gonna go downstairs and start trying on dresses.
Okay, so this is the first dress. Love, love, love.
Cause I've climbed higher than I could dream of. Now using wires, I know I'm falling free. You set me.
The way that it like.
Okay, so this is the
elongates
second
the
dress.
waist straight here, and then it kind of like silhouettes it down on the side.
Yeah, I definitely like the silhouette.
I just think it's simple though. I like the pearls in the back. Like from here going here, it's simple, but the bottom is yes.
This part is simple. The top. Is
Yeah,
that what you're saying?
the top part. Like I don't like this lace. I think it would look better if there was no lace and if it was open like the first one. But then I like the lace in the back, so I don't know.
It's very nice from here.
So you're pointing up here. Do you not like the netting or do you not like the lace?
All my troubles seem to haunt me. You uncover the truth. Cause nothing really matters when you see it from a distance. Yeah, yeah. Cause I'm up higher than planes could take me. I have acquired everything I need. You set me off into emotion. Oh yeah, where I can just be free. You give a little, but you're giving me just what I need. No time for riddles, you're in the middle of my self-release. You have unchained me. You haven't, yeah.
Comfy. You're beautiful in this. This one you look like a bride.
Don't spend time thinking about what could go wrong. I deal with them one at a time. I'm holding my head up. You give a little, but you're giving me just.
The richness of the lace is what's so beautiful about that gown. That's something that you were like attracted to with that other bride wearing that lace. Like the cut of it is very classic, the one that she had on.
Right.
But the lace is the part that's extraordinary. Here, I love just the bodice of everything. The bodice, yeah.
My belly would have been popping
Let me
out.
go see if I can find a skirt to put on top.
Okay.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it. Cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat.
You finished the sample so well.
Which is crazy, right?
Right? So that sounds like she looks really good.
Hey. It's full. It's full, full, full.
I'm gonna put your purse over here so we don't fall.
Okay.
And you've got your lancet lace up at the toe. You could do a big
cool,
bow on it.
I was thinking of doing a big bow.
Yeah.
Do you have a one we can try and then see?
Yes.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun.
Mommy, hi.
At least, yes. Hi.
You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake.
I want to be in the picture too.
Where are you moving?
We should do one where we all pop in the picture.
Yeah, okay. You'll
Ready,
Go,
set,
pop.
everybody pop.
Do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break